had to get on here to share my experience with menopause management. I'm 54 years old, and so I'm no exception to the rule as it comes to managing hot flashes and night sweats and mood swings and irritability and brain fog and weight gain and all of those things. But I'm always looking for ways to help me manage it, and I've been doing pretty good thus far. But I recently stumbled across a product that has helped me significantly, especially with my sleeping. I used to wake up every 2 hours, and of course I would wake up in a pool of sweat. In fact, I had to only wear underwear to bed because I would be so hot and just sweat through my clothes. I recently discovered the Wild Yam Cream. I absolutely love this stuff. Love it. I noticed my hot flashes. Well, I've been making some changes to my diet, so that helped with my hot flashes a lot. But I would still have hot flashes, maybe like once a day, but definitely 2 times out of the night. But with this since I've been using the Wild Yam Cream, no hot flashes during the day. I would have maybe hot flashes, I would say maybe 2 times a week. 2 times a week I will have it. And my sleeping has improved so much. Oh my gosh. So instead of waking up every 2 hours, I will wake up maybe once. I am now experiencing more sleeping through the nights, and I love it. I love it. So it's just a little cream. You can see I'm dabbing into it, and yeah, I will be buying another one. You're supposed to use it 3 weeks on, 1 week off, twice a day, and you put it on different parts of your body each time. So in the morning, you may put it on your chest and your arms, and in the evening you put it somewhere else. And you only need 1/3 of a teaspoon. Ms. Barbara O'Neill said maybe just up to your knuckle, a little up to your knuckle, and that's it. That's all you need. And so, like I said, it would be 3 weeks on, 1 week off. If you're still having your periods, you will stop taking the yam cream while you're on your period and resume. And you may need to take this Wild Yam Cream for about a year, maybe 2 years. But after that, you should be fine. As Barbara would say, it would take 20 years for your hormones to get out of whack, but maybe just a couple of years for you to get back in whack. No matter how long it takes. I swear by this. I love this. If you was my girlfriend, I would recommend this to you. If my girlfriends are out there looking at this, all day, get it.